Next update, I'm getting ready to paint this. It's gonna be black. I'm gonna be painting it black. I'm just showing the before. This is just a little coffee stand. I purchased it just like this. It had this little distressed look to it, which I never really liked, but never got around to making any changes until now. So I'm updating some other things in this room, so I decided to make the update to this to make it black to coordinate with the other table, which I'll show as well. But again, this is just the before. I'm gonna update this shelf too because I just want to make it look a little more solid, and it's basically gonna match this. So this is what it's looking like. And this is the paint I'm going to be using to make the update. It is this Country Chic paint in the color Licorice. It's just a nice soft black. As far as I know, it's like a rich paint. And I ordered it on Amazon. I will link it below. Okay, here it is. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So it's the next day. I used my coffee maker on top of this because I had to access this outlet, and the water splashed and did that. I'm gonna cover this with polyurethane a little bit later, but I want to put some gold accents around. I spray painted the knobs and made them gold, so I want to put like gold around this and then around this, And then I'm going to accent this with gold as well, but I'm waiting for that gold to come in the mail. And once it gets here, I'll fix it up. But for now, I'm going to put it back in its normal place. And then I'm going to put everything back on it. And then once the gold paint comes, I will finish it up. And then I'll put the polyurethane over all of it. I'm probably going to put some gold in here too, just around, you know, this needs something. So I'm going to just add what I need until I'm happy with it. I already polyurethaned the top part without even remembering that I wanted to add some gold to this. I thought I was going to put some gold in here, but I'm glad I just went ahead and added the polyurethane because that line is just too tricky for me. And if it's not perfect, I'm going to be mad. So I just left that alone. Not going to change anything, but I'm going around here. You can see on this drawer, I'm thinking about going on to this part too, but all I'm doing is taking the cap of the gold paint like so, and I'm using this little sponge and I'm dabbing the paint there and I'm taking a little bit off and then sponging around. And I'll show you the process on this other drawer right here. There's a couple of areas on this. I think I was moving too fast for the camera, but I have to touch up with the black paint where I went over. This one I didn't do that, but there it is. So just to add a little bit more gold to it, and then I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the same little splotching in here. I don't know if I'm gonna fill the whole thing in or what, but I'll decide. I think I'll go around. I don't want to do too much. I just want it to be a little something. So I don't even know if I want to. I said I was going to get down on this thing, but I don't really know if I want to. I think I'll just go around the sides, the raised part, same like the drawer. And I don't even know if I want to go inside here because I feel like that might just be doing too much. And I don't want to do too much. All right, I'll figure it out and then I'll come back and show you. But that's pretty much the technique. Okay, I added it around this frame and then around there because I wanted to incorporate some of the sides. This I added, but I do not like it, and I don't like this. So these two places I'm going to paint back over black. Everywhere else is fine. I'm going to touch up the black, and then I'm going to put the polyurethane over the rest of it, and we'll be all done. So I just want to do enough, not too much. And let me just zoom in so you can see the texture of it. Again, it needs to be touched up in the black areas, but you can definitely tell the top is glossy and the rest is matte because I picked a gloss polyurethane to make everything glisten. All right, so I'll come back once the black is fixed up and then everything is drying when I put everything back together so we can see the cohesiveness of it. And then I took the shelf down. I'm working on that. I'm just going to paint it black with the polyurethane coating. as you could see previously, I didn't tape off the glass. I just painted right over it. And all I did was use a little razor right here to scratch off the paint and the polyurethane that I painted over that. So this side has not been done. And I'm going to scratch all this paint off and make it look nice and clean to match this side. And then it'll be done. Okay, next update is this back area here. I'm going to use a peel and stick wallpaper just to make the change there. It's just going to be around here. I'm going to take this frame out. I put this frame in a while ago and I don't want it now because I'm putting the peel and stick. I'll show you that, and it came from Amazon. Everything is linked below.